a financial advisor who cooks lessons from the kitchen. Welcome back to The Legacy Lens, the show where we help physicians bring clarity to their finances, confidence to their decisions, and dignity to their legacy. I'm your host, Andy Eigner. Today, I want to take you somewhere unexpected. Not the exam room, not the hospital, not the boardroom, but the kitchen. Because long before I became a financial advisor, I fell in love with cooking. And over the years, I have realized something. The way I cook, the way I plan, prepare, and create is exactly how I approach financial planning for my clients. Let me take you behind the scenes into the kitchen. Cooking is my passion, my creative outlet, and stress reliever. It's where I express love, precision, and imagination. And yes, it gets stressful right before service. Every chef knows that moment. But it's a joyful stress, a purposeful stress. Most of my dishes begin long before I ever touch a knife. They start in my mind, usually late at night, where I visualize the finished plate or an entire menu. I see the colors, the textures, the balance. I can taste the flavors I like to achieve, all in my mind. Then I work backwards. What ingredients do I need? What techniques will I bring this dish to life? What equipment? What timing? Years of experience, a very visual mind, and a strong imagination make this process second nature. But it always begins with intention. And that intention mirrors financial planning more than most people realize. Every great meal starts with one question. Who is coming for dinner? I need to know their preferences, their allergies, their dietary restrictions. Only then can I design a menu that fits them, not me. I always make sure that I like to eat what my guests like. It's the same with financial planning. Before we talk about products, strategies, or investments, we must first understand the client, their goals, their objectives, their fears, their family, their timeline, and their risk tolerance. You wouldn't serve shellfish to someone with an allergy or a religious restriction. And you shouldn't serve a financial product that doesn't fit a client's needs. Once the menu is set, the real planning begins. In my Massachusetts home, I had a brick oven in the cellar, built by my stonemason. It was lifesaver for big gatherings. On Thanksgiving, I'd roast 2 turkeys down there, freeing up the kitchen oven for everything else. In the planning process, my yellow pad becomes my best friend. I write out the menu. I create the shopping list, store by store. I plan the beverages, cocktails, wines, after dinner cordials. I check what I have, what I need, and what must be sourced fresh. And just like cooking, financial planning requires the same discipline. Inventory, preparation, and sourcing the right ingredients, the right products for the strategy. Not every delicacy suits every palate. Not every financial product suits every client. Fresh, local, high-quality ingredients matter, and so do well-designed, well-matched financial tools. With ingredients in hand, I work backwards from service time. What needs to be done first? What can be prepped ahead? What requires last-minute attention? Do I have the right roasting pans, the right pots, the right knives? Do I have enough refrigeration space? Never a problem in the winter month in Massachusetts. The hatchway stairs serve as a walk-in cooler many times. It's quite a challenge here in Florida with a condo. In my planning, I always build in rest periods because a tired chef is a sloppy chef. Financial planning has its own timeline. Short-term needs, midterm goals, long-term aspirations. We work backwards from retirement, from college funding, from practice transitions. We match the tools to the timeline. We make sure the kitchen, the financial infrastructure can support the plan. On the day of the event, I stage every platter, bowl, and serving utensil. Everything is labeled. Everything has a place. Because when service time hits, chaos is the enemy. This is where mise en place becomes sacred. Mise en place, translated, everything in its place. Mise en place is more than a French phrase. It's a philosophy. It means ingredient prep, washed, chopped, portioned, tools ready, knives, pans, towels, boards, a clean, organized station, a clear mental map of the sequence ahead. In finance, our mise en place is preparing, documents gathered, accounts organized, goals clarified, risks identified. When everything is in its place, execution becomes smooth, calm, and precise. Execution. Now comes the moment of truth. Cut, slice, stir, roast, grill, saute, braise. Hot dishes hot, cold dishes cold. Timing is everything. And this is where the parallels become undeniable. Financial planning is execution, locating assets, implementing strategies, adjusting risk, monitoring progress. The better the preparation, the better the dish or the financial outcome. The 5 big similarities. Let's bring it all together. Number 1, financial planning is a creative endeavor. Just like cooking, it blends art and science. Number 2, we must understand our clients deeply. Allergies in the kitchen, unsuitable products in finance. Both can cause harm. Number 3, every plan is customized. No 2 dinner parties are the same. No 2 financial plans should be either. Number 4, we choose the right ingredients. Products are tools, not the meal. They must fit the strategy. Number 5, we expand horizons. A great chef introduces guests to new flavors. A great advisor introduces clients to new possibilities. In closing, cooking has taught me that love, preparation, and intention create extraordinary experiences. Financial planning is no different. When we take the time to understand, prepare, and execute with care, we help our clients build something beautiful, a legacy that nourishes their family for generations. Thanks for joining me on the Legacy Lens. If this episode resonated with you, share it with a colleague, maybe even over a great meal. I'm your host, Andy Agner. Cheers.